Make this 3-ingredient diffuser blend. This beauty routine diffuser blend has taken my morning routine to the next level. Let's make it together. My secret is using the Simply Earth Body Care recipe box because they give me everything that I need to make natural recipes. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So let's get started with this month's theme, Body Care box, and we'll show you how to make some really great recipes. First, you're going to want to grab your January recipe box, as well as your big bonus box. So let's see which essential oils we need for this amazing diffuser blend. So we are going to use our relief blend, our cajeput, and our lavender. Next, you're going to want to grab a 5 milliliter bottle from your big bonus box. And if you have a diffuser at home, you're going to want to grab that. If you don't already have a diffuser, go to our website. We have some really great clay passive diffusers just like this. We have a flower one and a succulent, and then we also have some ultrasonic diffusers. All right, let's get started. So first you're gonna wanna put 4 drops of relief. Next, 1 drop of cajeput. And last but not least, 1 drop of our Bulgarian lavender. All right, let's test it out. Oh, it smells super good. It's really minty, but it also has a little bit of a floral side to it because of the lavender. I think you're really gonna like it. I'm gonna go ahead and make a master blend so that I can use this every morning while I'm getting ready. So we need 64 drops of relief, and then 16 drops of cajeput, and our last essential oil, our Bulgarian lavender, we're gonna put 16 drops of this guy. All right, our master blend is ready to go. I'm gonna just swirl this around a little bit so that the essential oils are kind of melded together. Now we're gonna put our label on. All right, we are all set. Now I can use this whenever I want, on the go, or I can keep it in my bathroom so that I can use it right away in the morning. You can make this beauty routine diffuser blend too. If you want to turn your all-natural ingredients into a diffuser blend, just like this beauty routine diffuser blend, go get your Simply Earth recipe box. They'll actually teach you how to make really fun recipes just like this.